They taught you calculus, but not credit scores. You learned about Shakespeare, but not how compound interest could change your life. They showed you how to write essays, but never how to build wealth. Welcome to the real education, the one the classroom forgot. In a world run by algorithms and artificial intelligence, the ability to manage your money is no longer optional, it's survival. Yet most of us were never taught the language of money. This video isn't about complex finance or stock charts. It is about you understanding how to build wealth in a world where AI is rewriting the rules of money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to grow, protect, and master your finances even if no one ever taught you before. The financial education gap, let's be honest. Schools don't teach us financial literacy. They teach us how to work for money, not how to make money work for us. You graduate degree in hand, yet you still don't know how to read a credit report, invest for retirement, or manage debt. Meet Sarah, a bright graduate with honors in economics. She lands her first job, but within 2 years, she's drowning in credit card debt, confused about taxes, and overwhelmed by financial stress. She did everything right, but the system never taught her the one thing that mattered most: how to manage her money. She's not alone. Over 70% of young adults admit they learned nothing about personal finance in school. And now, in the age of AI and automation, the gap between the financially literate and the financially lost is widening fast. But here's the good news. AI is changing that. AI, the new financial equalizer, artificial intelligence, is no longer just a buzzword. It's the new financial mentor of the 21st century. Think about it. AI can already predict market trends, optimize investments, and analyze your spending patterns better than most human advisors. Apps like Clio, Plum, and ChatGPT-based financial assistants can track your habits, set budgets, and even teach you why you're overspending on takeout. Here's a brief explanation of how Clio, Plum, and ChatGPT-based financial assistants can help improve financial literacy. 1. Clio. How it helps. Clio uses AI to analyze your spending habits, categorize expenses, and give witty, conversational feedback about your money behavior. Financial literacy impact. It teaches users how daily choices affect savings and helps them understand budgeting, saving goals, and cash flow in an engaging, easy-to-digest way. 2. Plum. How it helps. Plum automatically saves small amounts of money based on your spending patterns and income. It also offers insights into your bills, investments, and saving opportunities. Financial literacy impact. Users learn the importance of automation, investment diversification, and long-term financial planning while seeing practical examples of how compound growth works. 3. ChatGPT-based financial assistance. How it helps. These AI tools offer personalized explanations about budgeting, credit, investing, and debt management by answering your specific financial questions in real time. Financial literacy impact. They serve as on-demand financial tutors, helping users understand complex topics like interest rates, taxes, or stock investing in simple language, empowering smarter financial decisions. Investors are using AI-driven trading platforms that process billions of data points, something impossible for humans alone. But here's the real power. AI levels the playing field. You no longer need to be born rich or have a financial degree. All you need is access to information and the willingness to learn. When you combine your curiosity with AI tools, you create something unstoppable: financial freedom built on intelligence. The question isn't, will AI replace financial advisors? The question is, will you let AI replace your excuses? The core pillars of modern financial literacy. Let's talk about the new pillars of financial literacy in the AI era. 1. Budgeting and automation. AI makes budgeting effortless. Apps can now categorize your expenses, predict upcoming bills, and automatically move money into savings. Automation removes emotion from money, it makes discipline easy. What gets automated grows. 2. Investing with data-driven insights. You don't need to guess anymore. AI can scan millions of financial reports, trends, and stock signals in seconds. Platforms like Wealthfront, Betterment, and eToro use algorithms to optimize your investments even while you sleep. But remember, AI is a tool, not a guarantee. Always pair machine logic with human wisdom. 3. Understanding risk and diversification. AI can help you model financial risk scenarios instantly. It tells you when your portfolio is overexposed or unbalanced. But no algorithm replaces emotional control, the true heart of financial intelligence. 4. Credit, debt, and digital finance. AI helps track debt repayment schedules, flag unnecessary interest payments, and improve your credit score. Smart assistants can even negotiate your bills automatically. Financial literacy isn't just earning more, it's losing less. 5. Emotional discipline in money decisions. This is where humans still outperform machines' emotional intelligence. AI can't teach you patience, it can't teach you gratitude, but it can mirror your habits, showing you what needs to change. To win with money, you must win against your impulses. 6. The place of self-education. No AI tool replaces your personal growth. Read financial books. Attend seminars. Watch educational videos. Follow creators who teach wealth principles, not hype. You are your best investment. Every dollar or naira you spend without knowledge is a dollar you'll pay for in regret. How to partner with AI for wealth creation. Let's turn knowledge into action. Here's how to partner with AI to build real wealth. 1. Use AI budgeting tools like Mint, Copilot, or ChatGPT-based trackers to analyze and optimize your spending. 2. Let robo-advisors invest your money intelligently based on your goals. 3. Use AI stock research platforms like FinChat, AlphaZense, or simply Wall Street to gain insight before you invest. 4. Set AI alerts for market changes, interest rate shifts, or inflation reports so you're never caught off guard. 5. Most importantly, train AI to know you. The more data you give it, the better it becomes at helping you save, grow, and invest wisely. AI won't make you rich, but it will make you smarter about how you get there. The mindset shift. Financial success isn't about luck. It's about literacy, consistency, and the courage to adapt. In the AI era, we need a new kind of intelligence, wealth intelligence duck. It's where IQ meets CQ meets AI. IQ helps you understand the logic. EQ keeps your emotions stable when markets shake. AI gives you the data edge. Together, they make you unstoppable. The new rich aren't defined by money, they're defined by adaptability. You don't need to outwork AI, you need to outhink it with emotional balance and curiosity. They taught you history, but not how to make it. They taught you math, but not how to multiply your money. They taught you theory, but not freedom. But today you just started your real financial education. AI is not your competition. It's your mentor, it's your mirror, it's your multiplier. The classroom won't save your wallet, but your curiosity will. Learn, adapt, automate, grow. Because the future of wealth isn't built on degrees, it is built on intelligence that never stops learning. If this message woke something up inside you, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more insights on AI, wealth, and the new age of intelligent living. Your journey to financial mastery starts now.